It's Lee Smallwood again from NOD3x or NOD3x.com, and I'm here to show you our new project user interface which we're launching today. It's very different than you've seen from us before, and we've simplified the whole process. Why have we done this? Well, one of the main questions we get asked is, which keyword or hashtag should we track when we first create a new project? And up until now, we've basically, you can think of a word, put one in there, and see what results you get. And then that will produce additional hashtags or words within the word cloud that you could pull out and then try again. Or you can go to Google Plus and do a hashtag search and see what comes up under related hashtags for there, and then try using those on Twitter.com or Facebook.com and see what results come up there. So it was quite a laborious and manual process, whereas we believe we've now simplified that whole process for you. And our ultimate aim here is to ensure that using NOD3x becomes far more intuitive and far easier for you to get the insights and answers that you need. So just to show you how this new user interface works, I want to create a brand new test project, if you like, and I'm going to do type 2 diabetes, only because I was having a chat with somebody today just on this subject matter and we were researching it. So I'm going to research the hashtag type 2 diabetes. And how I converted that to a tag, you can just see, is just hit enter or return. Yeah, and then you can see we've got a little pop-up box there saying click here to get suggestions and the trends. And this is going to look at 1,000 posts from across social media platforms like Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and get the top 50 most related hashtags and also keywords or words that are being used or contained within those 1,000 top posts. So let's just click on that. And it can take a couple of minutes to do this, but if you kind of think how long it would take to do this manually, to have a checkout through 1,000 of the most popular posts across all different social media networks, it's kind of a long process. And the way we're actually doing this, and you can see now that's in real time, okay, is from those top 1,000 posts, we're now listing in order of the frequency of their use or the occurrence, okay, that they appear. Now, this type 2 diabetes hashtag has produced these 50 additional hashtags, which are all related to type 2 diabetes. And we can see, obviously, we've got type 2 diabetes being number 1, diabetes being number 2, diabetes management number 3. Now, if we were setting or creating a new project, I'm just going to put this one as me, as the name. Let's say I want to include the hashtag type 2 diabetes within this project. So here, all I'm going to do is just click on include. And you can see NOD3x now has automatically added it to the correct section under the include these hashtags within this project. Now, let's have a look at maybe adding additional a diabetes management hashtag as well. And I'm going to add it there. All right. Now when I go back, you can see that the first hashtag type 2 diabetes has been removed. So it's just leaving you with the remaining hashtags. Also, the additional hashtag we just added, diabetes management, has also been removed from that list. Now maybe we want to create a targeted project on NOD3x. So now we're going to look at some of the words or keywords that are being included within the posts used by content creators in relation to type 2 diabetes. So maybe we want to include the word problems. Yeah, so we can see now all of these words problems have been added into there. Let's also have a look at, I don't know, symptoms. Yeah, so now what this is going to do is create a project and tell NOD3x that to collect posts from across social media that contain the words problems and symptoms within the same post. They don't have to be side by side. And also either are using type 2 diabetes as a hashtag or diabetes management as a hashtag. Okay? Now, all I need to do is just click on the bottom right hand corner, green Save Project. And that has done it. Now, that's the latest user interface. And we come on now to a new update as well, which we're now telling you that you need to reassign some project quota. All right. Each page user now is on a data plan, and managing the amount of data that you use for specific projects is key. You know, sometimes you want to use more of your quota on one project than another. For example, maybe you're tracking a campaign, you know, for the next 3 days. So you'll need to manage your quota 24 hours in advance and change it. And all we need to do to change it is click on that link. Let's just remove that little update just there. And we can see that currently we have 99% of our quota currently assigned. Now, for me, tracking type 2 diabetes is actually probably more important right now. So I'm going to increase that one, let's say, to 50%. Then I'm going to reduce the other 2 projects, or test projects that I've got running. One is on funny as a hashtag, and the other one is hashtag meme. And I'm going to just make those to just 25%. Then we've got total assigned as 100%, and I'm going to click on save, and then that's done. Now you know that the data that you've allocated is going in the right places. You're now in control of where your quota is being spent, and you should start receiving posts and an increase or decrease on posts, remember, after 24 hours. So remember, if you need to adjust your quota, adjust it 24 hours in advance. I hope you like the new user interface for creating a project, and please leave some feedback in the comments below, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.